Today we're here to solve a mystery. And this is a mystery I didn't even know I had until the last week or so when I've been getting inundated with ads about a spring for my KitchenAid. How the internet knew I had a KitchenAid, or maybe they didn't. Maybe they were just sending it out to everybody. Who knows? But it did get my curiosity. Here is an older KitchenAid. I think it's about 25, 30 years old. It has a spring. Here's one I got probably 5 years ago. No spring. The advertisement says that the spring helps keep the paddle or whatever it is that you've attached to the mixer in place. And it does. This kind of clunky and flops around. Why would KitchenAid lose the spring? And you sit there and you go, well, you know, a spring, how much does it cost? Well, if you buy a replacement spring, like I did, you can't get one. Well, you can get one for about $5 and you're kind of getting gouged. I think I got four for about $4. I have replacement springs. I didn't know I needed one until these advertisements came along. Now, I didn't buy the spring from the person that was promoting it because I think it was a lot more expensive than what I did on Amazon. And if you have a KitchenAid and you want to put a spring on, I'll list the springs I use in this video down below. We're going to put the spring on because I just think I need one now. But why would they take it off? I just think they wanted to save a little bit of money, and you think that's crazy. You know, 25 cents, 50 cents, which is probably what the spring and washer cost them. But then you put it on the KitchenAid, that's another probably $1 worth of labor, and it adds up. You sell 1 million of these, that's $1 million that you can save by not putting a spring on. So I'll show you how to put the spring on this one, just in case you want to do that for your KitchenAid. Because every KitchenAid, I guess, past 2016, no longer has a spring. Again, this pack comes with 4 springs, probably more than you'll ever use in your entire life. So if you have a bunch of friends that have KitchenAids, you can buy the springs, give them the other springs to them as presents, whatever it is. So you need a washer and a spring. Rotate this one end, and you just rotate it up on top until the spring is all the way there. Come on now. You might have to push up on it a little bit to get that last piece over. Come on, it goes. So now your spring is on there. But you need the washer. And this has a little hole in it. You can see the hole right there. See the hole right there? So you just, a slot, so you just bring it up here. You can bend it a little bit and just rotate it. You gotta push up on the spring now. Rotate this over and get it on there, and then you can just, if you need, you can get a pair of pliers, but I think I can bend it with my fingers, and I did. So you got the spring now on this KitchenAid, and so you just put your thing on there, and that gives you a little bit of shock, just like the shock they had in this one. Does it make a difference? I don't know. But I'll post a video down there and up below with an update if it does. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of home repairs, kitchen ideas, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what mystery or possible solution you're gonna see.